Welcome to this video on the Neural Enterprise. We explore the transition from next best action to next best everything, focusing on AI decisioning, contextual architecture, and the role of the algorithmic persuader. Traditional next best action was segment-focused and relied on static rules. Today we are shifting toward next best everything, an individual-focused approach that uses adaptive reinforcement learning to optimize product, time, channel, message, and frequency simultaneously. Algorithmic decisioning operates across three layers: propensity and uplift scoring for base likelihood, contextual bandits for real-time reinforcement learning, and agent-based reasoning using foundation models for complex, unstructured context. Continuous adaptation is powered by contextual bandits. This cycle involves observing customer context, selecting an action based on policy, receiving a reward or penalty, and iteratively refining the policy to maximize long-term outcomes without manual intervention. Agent-based reasoning utilizes a context funnel. By layering document, user, organizational, and real-time context, the system transforms raw prompts into precise, context-aware decisions, effectively eliminating hallucinations. We must map multi-party interactive sequences because the reality is dynamic. Next best actions aren't static. They exist in a sequence where every brand decision fundamentally alters the customer's future state and behavior. Orchestrating an always-on brain requires a customer decision hub. This central authority evaluates predictive models in real time to distribute consistent, optimized actions across all inbound and outbound channels in milliseconds. The logic of action reduction acts as a funnel. Starting with all available actions, we filter by hard constraints, customer fit, and engagement policies to arrive at the top 3 actions prioritized by AI arbitration. The arbitration equation calculates a final priority score. It multiplies propensity, context weighting, action value, and business levers to determine the most effective and optimized action for the individual customer. We must recognize the dilemma of the algorithmic persuader. When AI perfectly predicts and optimizes for corporate goals, it can cross a psychological boundary, potentially exploiting consumer vulnerabilities and overriding rational decision-making. The distinction between persuasion and manipulation is critical. Persuasion is transparent and value-driven, while manipulation uses dark patterns and exploitative nudging. History shows that failing to maintain this balance can severely damage brand trust. To operate ethically, organizations must adopt a framework for responsible AI. This rests on 3 pillars: transparency in data usage, accountability through ethics review boards, and consumer empowerment by preserving human agency. The Responsible AI Decision Hub combines the context funnel and the always-on brain within strict ethical guardrails. Maximum optimization is only sustainable when it is paired with unshakable consumer trust. In summary, generative AI and reinforcement learning are architects of customer experience. By combining contextual intelligence with ethical standards, the enterprise moves beyond simple transactions toward building lasting customer value.